In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Figma access token. Having a personal access token is crucial for automating tasks or integrating third-party applications with Figma. Let's dive into the steps and make it as simple and clear as possible. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Figma website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's widely used in the design industry. Once you're on the website, locate the login button and click on it. If you haven't signed into your Figma account yet, you'll need to enter your credentials, which may include your email address and password. Take a moment to ensure your login information is correct to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. From here, navigate over to your profile section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or avatar, which is often located in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking here will provide you with a drop-down menu or options screen where you will then select Settings. In your settings, you'll see a variety of options for customizing and managing your Figma account. For this task, your focus should be on the Security section. Go ahead and click on Security. This is where you can manage security settings, including generating personal access tokens. Once you are into the security settings, look for the option labeled Personal Access Tokens. Access tokens are essential for authorization when you're dealing with Figma's API, especially when automating tasks or working through integrations. Clicking on Personal Access Tokens will bring you to the page where you can view and manage any tokens you've created. Now you'll see the Generate New Token button. Click this button to create a new personal access token. A prompt will likely appear here, asking you to provide a name for your token. It's good practice to choose a descriptive name that hints at the token's specific use or the service it will interact with. This way, managing multiple tokens becomes more straightforward down the line. Once you've named your token and confirmed the action, Figma will generate the token for you. Remember that when the token is generated, it's usually displayed just once. Make sure to store it securely. A password manager or secure notes file are often good choices for storing sensitive information like this. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Figma access token. By following these steps, you've now opened up a realm of possibilities for automation and integration using Figma's API. Remember to handle this token with care and only share it with trusted applications. I hope this guide has been helpful and feel free to come back to it anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching.